Let's get started under the vehicle. One of the first things you would do is take down your plastic shield, assuming you have one. After you do that, just remove your fog lamp bulbs. You can let those hang or just remove them from the vehicle if you need to. The next thing you want to do is remove all your push clips inside your fender well. We have a clear view of this right here. We're going to use a 10mm. Do the same to the other side of the vehicle. Now we're going to remove the upper bumper push clips. Next, I'm just going to grab onto this right here, give it a little tug. We'll get this out of the way. There we go. This one off of here. If you look right along the edge of your bumper, you're going to see this stud. There should be a nut right on there. Our vehicle did not have a nut on either side. To remove the headlamp assembly, there's going to be a bolt right here, right over here, and then located right down along the bottom. Okay, let's get this a little wiggle. At this point, we've got our wiring still on here. Check your bulb, replace it if need be. Squeeze this and draw that out. Remove your assembly. Take a look at your bulbs. If they look like they're no good, just go ahead and replace them. Nice. And do the other one too. Time to mount the new assembly. Click this in. Make sure you lock it. Give it a tug. Perfect. Put in your bulbs. Okay. Start bringing this in. Got your little piton here. It's going to go in there. Mounting bolt. Let's tighten them up. Beautiful. Remove your protective layer. Do the same to the other side of the vehicle. Now that this side's done, let's go test the lights. Nice. Right here is where you'd find the adjuster. You would just turn it counterclockwise to bring the beam up. Turn it clockwise to bring your beam down. Let's get our bumper cover up on here. Okay. Come along the side. Just make sure this goes up and over that. Let's get these push clips back in here. Let's get this back on here. Line up your tabs, slide this in. Let's do the same the other side of the vehicle. Let's get our little push clips back in here. Do the same the other side of the car. Get your fog lamp back in here. Make sure you secure this. This is going to be a general tutorial on how to aim your brand new TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, so looking at your brand new TRQ headlamp assembly, you're going to see where your low beam is, and you'll see a little dot right in the center. And that is the access point, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to mark that with an erasable marker, just so it's easier to see. Next, what we need to do is measure from the level ground up to this point and take note of that measurement. Now we're just going to pull the car up to our wall. On our vehicle, we remember that the measurement was 28 inches for our access point. Your vehicle may be different, but that's where I'm going to put this tape, just above that 28 inches. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so let's just back the vehicle up, straight back 25 feet from the wall. And now that we moved our vehicle 25 feet back from the wall, we're going to start with our measurement here. That's where the headlamp center is. We're going to go down 4 inches on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we have our line here. What we need to do is go down 2 inches. To adjust the driver's side, we're going to cover our passenger side headlamp. If you look at the back side of your headlamp assembly, you're going to see something that looks like this. This is the adjustment. Some of these headlight assemblies have 1, 2, or even more of them, but you should at least have one. This is how we're going to adjust the headlight beam. Now we're going to lower the top part of the beam down to just below this line. When you turn the adjustment to the right, it brings the beam up, and if you turn it to the left, it'll bring the headlight beam down. And this is this way on most vehicles. Let's continue on to doing the passenger side. All right, we properly aligned our TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, and on the quality TRQ headlamps for a pickup truck, the procedure is going to be the same. You're going to find your center dot, mark it, and then you'll measure from the level ground up to your dot. So once your headlamps are properly adjusted, it'll be time to adjust your fog lamps. You'll notice on the driver's side, the focal point is all the way at the bottom right now. I would like to bring it up so it meets up with approximately the bottom of the focal point of the headlight. Some fog lamps have an adjuster, others don't. The ones that do have an adjuster, you would just turn the adjustment to the left or to the right to adjust the beam up and down to where it needs to be. Now with your TRQ headlamps and fog lamps properly aligned, you can drive down the road safely.